What's up guys, OX here, back again with another video. So wag mo nyo nang intindihin yung walang kwentang intro na yun. Matagal na kasi akong hindi na gigitara kaya almost 2 years na parang nawala na yung kalyo sa kamay ko. So madali na siyang masugatan. Sa mga nagbabanda po, para po sa inyo yung tips na to. This is 5 quick tips in mixing live band. Sana makatulong sa inyo and let's go! Tip number 1 is know your instrument's frequencies. Ibig sabihin po niyan is alam mo kung saan ang certain frequencies ng instrument mo. For example, bassist ka, dapat under 200 Hz yung frequency range mo and always nasa ilalim ka ng frequency ng kick drums. At kung lead guitar ka naman, nasa mid-high frequencies ka para mahiwalay mo yung frequency mo sa bass at hindi madi ang mix nyo. For rhythm guitars, it is mid to low mid and must be sit between bass and vocalist. Kasi minsan, yung lead guitarist kasi nasasabay sa vocals. Tip number 2, use low pass filter on your bass. Kung bassist ka naman, dapat walang higher frequencies na sisira sa buong mix. Bass frequencies kasi is very loud and nagdo-dominate ng buong mix. Kaya minsan, hindi na natin maririnig yung vocals. Kaya dapat tanggalin natin yung upper frequencies ng bass. Tip number 3, low cut your vocals. Minsan kasi pag lalaki yung vocalist, medyo mababa yung frequencies ng vocals kaysa babae na vocalist. Kaya mas maganda po pakinggan pag tinanggal natin yung low end ng mga vocals for vocal clarity and presence. Tip number 4 is maximize vocals by adding reverb or delay. For vocal enhancement, delay and reverb will fill out the mix. For example, nagsusolo yung vocalist mo, it will make the mix wider and fill the dead air in your mix. Tip number 5, pan instrument for wider and more stereophonic sounds. Lalo po gaganda ang mix nyo pag ipan nyo yung instruments nyo, lalo na sa percussion. Pan po is pag-separate ng mix to stereo using left and right balance. And experiment with your sound using dual mics on your drum kits and other instruments. So ayan po yung 5 quick tips for mixing live band. Sana nakatulong ako. Always like and subscribe and for more videos like this. See you in the next video.